For this process, instead of using the Roblox mobile app, what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to the official Roblox website. So like I said, instead of using the app, open up a web browser on your phone and access the official Roblox website. Specifically, you want to go to www.roblox.com/support, or you can simply look for Contact Us Roblox on Google. When you arrive at this page, you will be prompted to include your contact information, including your username, first name, email address, and in here you will be able to describe the specific issue that you are having. So, from the category, select which platform you play on. So if you are playing Roblox Mobile, choose between iPhone, iPad, or Android phone. And on the help category, you will be able to select any of these options that applies to your specific purchase. As you can see, they have a dedicated purchases using Robux option, or you can also choose something like billing and payments at the top. Choose the option that best applies to your situation and describe the issue in detail. As you can see, you can choose between a website item or inexperienced item if you chose purchases using Robux. When it comes to describing your issue, describe the issue in full, be honest, and tell them all the details about your problem. They will only be able to help and be in contact with you if you give them all the necessary information to solve and refund your items.